The Chittorgarh, also known as Chittorgarh Fort, is one of the largest living forts in India. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2013. The fort was the capital of Mewar and is located in the present-day city of Chittorgarh. The fort sprawls over a hill 180 meters in height, spread over an area of 691 acres above the plains of the valley drained by Birich River. The fort covers 65 historic structures which include 4 palaces, 19 large temples, 20 large water bodies, 4 memorials and a few victory towers. It is said to have been built by western branch of Mauryan ruler Chitrangada Mori. In 1303, Delhi Sultan Alauddin Khilji led an army to conquer Chittorgarh, which was ruled by the Gailak king Ratnasimha. Alauddin captured Chittor after an 8-month-long siege. According to his courtier Amir Khusrau, he ordered a massacre of 30,000 local Hindus after his conquest. The larger temple in the same compound is the Kumbhashyam temple or the Varaha temple. The pinnacle of the temple is in pyramid shape. Close to Victory Tower is the Mira Temple or the Mirabai Temple. Anakumba built it in an ornate Indo-Aryan architectural style. It is associated with the mystic saint poet Mirabai, who was an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna and dedicated her life to his worship. She composed and sang lyrical bhajans called Mira Bhajans. The Vijayastamba or the Tower of Victory is a symbol of Chittorgarh and particularly a bold expression of triumph. Was erected by Rana Kumbha between 1458 and 1468 to commemorate his victory over Mahmud Shah Khilji, the Sultan of Malwa. Built over a period of 10 years, it rises to 122 feet over a 47 square feet base in 9-story accessed through a narrow circular staircase of 157 steps up to the 8th floor, from where there is a good view of the plains and a new town of Chittorgarh. Since COVID, the access to the staircase or the inner part of the tower is prohibited. It is said that Rani Padmini, after the defeat in the war with Alauddin Khilji, committed Johar with 16,000 fellow females inside this fort in this area. Johar was a Hindu Rajput practice of mass self-immolation by females, both adults and children, in the Indian subcontinent to avoid capture, enslavement, rape by Islamic invaders when facing certain defeat during a war. This practice was intended to show that those committing it valued their honor more highly than their lives. There is an annual celebration of heroism called the Johar Mela in Chittorgarh, where the local people commemorate their ancestors. This is the Jain temple near Kirti Stambha. This is the Gomukha Reservoir. A spring feeds the tank from a carved cow's mouth in the cliff. This pool has been the main source of water at the fort during the numerous sieges. Currently, there are 5,000 people residing inside this fort. This is Rana Kumbha's palace in ruins. Is at the entrance near a Vijay Stamba or the Tower of Victory. Queen Padmini's Palace or Rani Padmini's Palace is a white building and a 3-storied structure. This current structure is a reconstruction during the 19th century, replicating the original. It is located in the southern part of the fort. Chhatris or the pavilions crown the palace roofs and water moat